Cause we're living in extreme day. We're living in extreme day. Cause we're living extreme day. Extreme days.
Tell us a little bit about your car.
Yes, my name is Miguel Gomez. This is a 63 Mercury Monterey. Believe it or not, it started 28 years ago with $400, which my wife bought it as a 21st birthday. So it's going. As you can see, the paint was done by Premier Body and Paint here by Celia, and they did an awesome job.
Thank you very much. Give a big round of applause.
Wait.
Oh, Kelly wants me to tell a little more.
There's a little backstory to this that really touched my heart. I want you to talk about this.
Okay, so
A little backstory here to more about the graphics in this.
whenever you want to take a look at the mural, I have the mural of my brother-in-law. His name is Tony. So Angie's brother had a 1951 Chevy pickup, and his dream was to restore the pickup and restore our car and just go cruising on the boulevard. But he passed away. So this last year for Angie's birthday, I made this mural and has Tony's picture on it and his 51 Chevy pickup cruising down the boulevard. So you guys enjoy it.
Awesome. Great job. Thank you very much. Wonderful car. Yes, please give him a round of applause. So, sir, will you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your car?
Thank you. First name is Jinx, J-E-N-K-S. I have to spell it for you. Yep, my beautiful wife, Diane. And this is one of my dream cars. And we finally got this about 2 years ago. And we have other cars, but this one here, I just really wanted this. And it's an awesome car. It's a hot rod Lord. Everything's been changed. But it's still got a good motor in it, strong, 1776. And if you can't drive it, don't buy it.
I love it. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys coming. Congratulations. Big round of applause. And a beautiful, beautiful yellow 57 Chevy. And sir, I'd like you to introduce yourself and tell us about your car.
My name's Danny Hull. I'm from Porterville with the Rolling Relics. 57 Chevy that was supposed to be my son's a long time ago, but things worked out that we didn't get it finished. And since then, we've tried to make it so we can drive it everywhere. We've got just about everything you want. Air conditioning, power windows. I don't have mirrors because they got cameras around it. Lexus seats, LS1 engines. It's all Corvette underneath. I got a lot of stuff into it, but we made it so we could drive it and really enjoy it, and we do.
Congratulations. Thank you, folks. Thank you for bringing your car. Give them a big round of applause. Would you like to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your car?
My name is Tom Gyro, and this started out just as a simple project, and 3 years later, it is what it is. Got a blown out 6-speed, 4-lane, and custom interior, it was a frame off.
It's a beautiful car. Thank you very much for bringing it down to our car show. Everybody give him a big round of applause. We're going to go out. So our next award is, let me see about Best Interior. Best Interior, and we have this beautiful black Studebaker, and I'd like the owner to introduce himself and tell us about his car.
My name is Guy Evans. This is a 53 Studebaker Starlight Coupe. Started that way. I found a 55 Studebaker Conestoga wagon 2-door and took the roof off it and put it on the car. I've done all the work myself, the paint, except for the interior. I don't know the sewing machine. Raul Espinoza here in Visalia did some of the interior for me and did a wonderful job.
Thank you very much. Just give a big round of applause.
So it was a great day being out and enjoying the car show today. The weather was awesome. The people were good. It was just a lot of fun. Good to see everybody out here participating. And thank you to the Lions Club for putting on such a tremendous program today. It's been all good.